Hello everyone, this is your tutor AB. Today we're going to be solving a problem from the IB Mathematics AHL examination. This is from the May 2023 session and it's worth 6 marks. Let's get started. The following diagram shows part of the graph of y is equal to x over x squared plus 2 for x is greater than or equal to 0. The shaded region R is bounded by the curve, the x-axis, and the line x is equal to c. The area of R is ln3. Find the value of c. Okay, let's solve this problem. The first step is to integrate. This is an integration problem, so let's integrate, and it's definite integration, so we need to set our boundaries. Okay, so we directly know that the region R, which we want to find, is equal to the integral of x over x squared plus 2 with respect to dx from 0 to c. When I solve this, I'll get the area of the region R. Okay, and we know the region R is equal to ln3, but we'll use that at the end. So R is equal to or before we do that, we already written it. Let's do a u substitution, and the reason for u substitution is at this current format there's nothing much I can do to solve this integral. I need to make it more simple, and to do that I'll use a u substitution. Let u is equal to x squared plus 2. Now differentiating both sides, du upon dx is equal to 2x. Okay, now on the numerator I have x dx, and this expression I've just created, I can also derive x dx, and so I can then directly substitute that into my original integral problem. So I know that du upon 2 is equal to x dx, don't I? Now what if I substitute that into my integral? R is equal to, instead of x dx, I can write du over 2, but before that I need to say 1 over x squared plus 2 I said was u, and then instead of x dx I can write du upon 2. Okay, and of course the limit going from 0 to c. Now I can take out 1 over 2 from this integral. So 1 over 2, 1 over u du, 0 to c. Now let's solve this integral, shall we? We know 1 over anything, or 1 over u, using our formula booklet, will just be ln of u. So region R is nothing but 1 over 2 ln u going from 0 to c. Okay, now region R is equal to 1 over 2 ln of x squared plus 2 going from 0 to c. And we know region R is equal to ln3. So now let's use that. So you know 1 over 2 ln x squared plus 2 going from 0 to c is equal to ln of 3. Okay, now what shall we do? Let's substitute in these boundaries. So we get 1 over 2 ln of c squared plus 2 minus 1 over 2 ln of 2 over 2 ln of 2, because 0 squared plus 2 is just 2, and that's equal to ln 3. Okay, now let's factor out 1 over 2. 1 over 2 ln, and we know our logarithm rules that ln minus ln, because they have the same base, would just be ln c squared plus 2 over 2. That's from our logarithm rules, and that's equal to ln 3. Okay, let's go further. Now I can cross multiply, so I get ln of c squared plus 2 over 2 is equal to 2 ln 3, right? Now another logarithmic rule is that I can bring the coefficient as an exponent, so I get ln c squared plus 2 over 2 is equal to ln of 3 to the power of 2. Now I can remove ln's from both sides, so I'm left with c squared plus 2 over 2 is equal to 9. So c squared plus 2 is equal to 18, c squared is equal to 16, so c must be equal to plus or minus 4. But The actual answer is C is equal to plus 4. That's the only answer. Why? Because we know that it's x is greater than 0 and we know it's in the positive side of the graph. So x or C must be positive 4. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.